How to log in to Hilton Employee Portal. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can easily log into Hilton Employee Portal. In order to do that, you first need to go ahead and simply search for Hilton Employee Portal on your web browser and hit enter. Click on the first link that you see. Now you'll be taken directly over to the official site where you can log in as an employee. So here you just need to enter your username or Hilton's honors. Then you just need to provide your password. Once you have done that, you can just click on the sign in button and it will log you in without any problem. Now, if you have forgotten your password, you can use this forgot your info button down here to recover your username or your password. Simply go ahead and enter your username or honors Hilton honors number and then enter your email address. Now just tap on submit and they'll send you a recovery code or a link to reset your password on your email. That is basically it, guys. That's how you log into your Hilton's employee portal. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.